How to short on DeGiro. Follow these instructions. Upgrade your DeGiro account to active, trader, or day trader to unlock advanced features like short selling. Enable debit securities in your settings to allow DeGiro to borrow shares for short positions. Make sure the stock is shortable, only EU-listed stocks, no US shares or risk category D assets. Search for the stock you want to short and confirm that you can place a sell order without owning it. Place a sell order for the stock. DeGiro borrows and sells it for you, opening a negative share position. Monitor your margin level and fees closely to avoid margin calls or automatic position closures. Buy back the same number of shares later to close your short position and return the borrowed stock. Thank you for watching.